Hello and welcome to Fermilab. We're excited that you're joining us for the 2021 Virtual Open House. My name's Becky Thompson and I'm Head of Education and Public Engagement here at Fermilab. Follow us on Twitter at Fermilab Ed to get updates of what we're doing each day and on Facebook to get live streams of all of our events. All information, including registration for our live programs and on-demand activities, are available at ed.fnal.gov/events/open house. Each day, we're going to have new on-demand content. You can take part in our online scavenger hunt, watch kids being their own science journalists and interviewing our lab staff, view our online Be a Part of Particles art gallery with over 70 submissions, and we have interactive activities that you can do in your own home or classroom. We have something for everyone: virtual tours, panel discussions about our awesome science, ecology talks, and classroom presentations. And of course, Mr. Freeze is going to make an appearance as well, going virtual with his cryogenics show. We'll have a virtual Ask a Scientist that shares the science behind your favorite physics demos. Each night, we'll have STEM story time at 7 p.m. You can watch on our Facebook page to hear a story about science. Our programming each day concludes at 7:30 p.m. With a live event that includes the history of women at Fermilab, a gallery talk, a Pachaka-Cha event, the benefits of particle physics, and wraps up on Sunday with our I Am Scientist competition. We really hope that you can join us for one or all of these events and look forward to seeing you again in 2022. Thanks.